Insert the neck of the bottle into the car air vent. Then place a PVC pipe into the vent. The pipe leads directly into the bottle. Put your favorite drinks inside and close it. Turn on the car's air conditioning and the cold air from the vent will flow through the pipe straight into the bottle. This way the drink will gradually cool down while you drive. It is a simple way to make a small fridge in your car. All you need is a pot lid to clean your car's upholstery. You've probably never tried such a simple trick. With it, you can freshen up your car's interior quickly and without spending money. Grab a large bowl, add a laundry detergent pod. The ingredients will help remove dirt and leave the upholstery smelling fresh. Pour in warm water. Wait for the pod to dissolve completely and mix it well to create a soapy foam. Take a small cloth and soak it in the mixture. Wring out the excess water thoroughly so it's just damp. Clean the car in sections. Lay the cloth over the upholstery. Place the pot lid on top. It's the key to this trick. Fold the edges of the cloth toward the center and grip them with the lid's handle so it stays tight. Clean the upholstery using circular motions, moving the lid across the surface. If the cloth dries out, simply soak it again and repeat on other areas. Your upholstery will look and smell fresh, giving your car a showroom feel. You'll save money on expensive cleaning at car washes and detailing services. Use these balls and martins will always steer clear of your car. All you need is these products for this trick, and it works every time. Martins can cause serious damage under the hood, often targeting rubber parts like cables. If they get into the cooling system hoses, it can lead to engine overheating, and fixing such a problem can be extremely expensive. Luckily, there are inexpensive ways to keep them away. With this clever trick, you won't need to buy costly ultrasonic devices. One of the most effective and cheapest chemical deterrents is a toilet freshener block. Just place it under the hood, making sure it's in a spot where it won't get caught in moving engine parts. You can also transfer the contents of the toilet block into a small bag. It doesn't matter how or where exactly you place it. The smell repels martins. Replace it every few weeks to keep it effective, because once the scent fades, it stops working. If you notice a coin placed behind your car door handle, it's a bad sign. You need to know what it means. Thieves are constantly coming up with new ways to steal. Sometimes, they're after what's inside your car. Other times, they want to steal the car itself. Automatically locked doors with a remote shouldn't open. So when you park somewhere, you just click the key and walk away, thinking the car is locked. But this doesn't stop thieves. Even in broad daylight, they don't need to break in. The coin trick is enough for them. Criminals place a coin in the handle to block the door. This simple trick keeps the door with the coin from locking, exactly what the thief wants. Most often, thieves put the coin in the passenger door handle. If you drive alone, you probably won't check that side of the car. This doesn't apply to all cars, so it's wise to check if the coin trick prevents your doors from locking. It could save you from major trouble. I always have a fork and some foam in my car. It may seem strange, but thanks to this, my grandparents are very grateful for how I help them. Let me show you how it works. Start by taking a regular fork and sticking it into the area near the car door hinge. Then bend the fork in the opposite direction so that it has the right shape and fits the spot. Take a piece of foam. My foam is a bit too long, so I need to trim it to the right length. Once the foam is the correct size, place it inside the fork to create a stable base. Now it's time for cable ties. Secure everything tightly so that the fork and foam are firm and stay in place. After this step, the whole setup will be stable and ready to use. Your holder is ready. Now you can rest easy because everything is securely fixed. Your grandparents will be proud. Now you have your own homemade holder that will come in handy in any situation. What's more, it only takes a moment, and the results are truly surprising. You should always keep this in your car. Just spray a little WD-40 on a microfiber cloth and wipe these spots. Dirt from shoes often collects on the lower door sills and plastic trim. WD-40 makes the grime disappear quickly and restores the shine to the plastics. This trick is perfect for a quick interior refresh. The bottle trick is a method used by thieves. Be cautious if you see a bottle wedged under the car's body near a wheel. Such incidents are on the rise, and thieves are becoming more inventive. The bottle trick is just one of their many techniques to steal a car. All they need is an empty drink bottle. They don't even require your keys. If you notice a bottle stuck near the wheel, stay alert and be careful. It's a scam. Thieves use this trick to gain access to your car without keys. They count on you not noticing the bottle. That's all they need to get into your car and rob you, or even drive off with the vehicle. Thieves are clever enough to place the bottle near the passenger side wheel. If you're traveling alone, you rarely approach your car from that side. This increases the chance that you won't spot it. Once you're unaware of the situation or the danger, you'll unlock the car, get in, start the engine, and drive off. As you begin to move, the bottle wedged between the body and the tire will cause a strange noise. At that moment, you'll likely stop and get out to investigate. This is exactly what the thieves are waiting for. You probably won't turn off the engine or take your bag or other belongings with you. While you're checking the source of the noise on the other side of the car, the thieves will simply get in and drive away. In the best-case scenario, they'll only grab your personal belongings, taking advantage of the fact that you left the door open. In either case, it's a distressing experience. Stay vigilant and warn your friends about this bottle trick used by thieves. I've got a brilliant hack that will make your driving experience so much better. Start by opening the sun visor and slightly lifting it at one hinge. Then, loop 2 rubber bands around the edge, just like I show in the video. This creates a handy holder that keeps a pack of wet wipes right at your fingertips without getting in the way while driving. Now, simply hook the pack onto the rubber bands. This way, your wipes are always exactly where you need them. No searching or reaching required. It's a simple yet incredibly practical trick that makes life easier and boosts your driving comfort. Try it out and see how quickly it becomes your favorite gadget. Cut a lemon in half and sprinkle it generously with baking soda. Then rub the lemon thoroughly over the headlight to clean it well. The acid from the lemon dissolves buildup and restores clarity, while the baking soda gently removes dirt and dullness. Finally, rinse everything with water. The headlight will be clear again, and the light will become noticeably brighter. Not many people know these uses for Vaseline, but everyone should. Today, I'll show you a few simple tricks that really make life easier. Vaseline isn't just great for your skin. It also works as an excellent lubricant and preservative that protects surfaces. Just rub a little onto clean tires with a soft microfiber cloth. They'll regain their deep color and look like new, while staying protected from cracking and drying out. Another great use? The dashboard. Lightly wipe it with Vaseline to give it a smooth satin finish and protect it from UV damage that causes cracking and fading. You can do the same with the steering wheel so it stays looking new and flexible longer. And don't forget the plastic trim on the doors. Vaseline restores color depth and even helps hide small scratches. It's a cheap, super effective hack that makes a big difference.